Have you ever wondered what the future holds for gold in 2034? It's a question that's been tickling the minds of many, and rightfully so. Gold, as we know it, is a capricious beast. Its value dances to the tune of global events, often making it unpredictable. Lately, we've seen a surge in the price of this precious metal. It's like watching a ballet of numbers, and the star performer is gold. What might be the reason, you ask? Well, it's a mix of many elements. But let's focus on a couple of key players. Regional conflicts and wars, they're the thunderstorms that often stir the calm waters of the gold market. And as the storm brews, the value of gold tends to climb, seeking shelter in the clouds of uncertainty. This leads us to a crucial point. Governments and powers are beginning to purchase gold at a faster pace and in larger quantities to ensure their economic security. Why are governments and powers buying gold at a faster pace and in larger quantities than ever before? That's a question that's been on the minds of many lately, and the answer, quite simply, is security. But let's explore this a little bit deeper. Gold, as we all know, has been a symbol of wealth and power for centuries, but in recent times its role has evolved into something more. In an increasingly unpredictable world, gold has become a beacon of economic security. Gold is not just a shiny metal anymore. It's a safe haven, a sanctuary in times of financial uncertainty and turmoil. Think of it this way. When the seas are calm, when the economy is booming, and the stock markets are on a steady rise, gold may not seem like the most lucrative investment. But when the storm hits, when regional conflicts and wars break out, when the stock markets are in free fall, that's when gold shines the brightest. That's when people turn to gold to keep their wealth safe and secure. Governments and major powers around the world are no different. They're aware of the economic uncertainties that lie ahead. They see the potential for conflict and unrest. And they're preparing for it. They're buying gold, not just because it's valuable, but because it's stable. It's a tangible asset that doesn't lose its value overnight. It's a secure investment that can weather the storm. So, as the world becomes more unpredictable, as regional conflicts and wars become more common, the demand for gold is likely to surge. And as we've seen in the past, when the demand for a commodity increases, so does its price. Gold is no exception to this rule. In other words, the rising demand for gold is not just a trend, it's a reflection of the times we're living in. It's a sign of the increasing need for economic security in an uncertain world. And it's a signal for investors to pay attention, because as we all know, where there's demand, there's opportunity. As the demand for gold increases, so does its value. Could gold be your golden opportunity? Let's delve into the potential benefits that investing in gold can bring. As we're witnessing, gold prices are on a steady climb, and this trend could continue well into the foreseeable future. The current geopolitical climate, marred by regional conflicts and wars, is driving this surge in gold prices. As uncertainty looms large, nations are turning to gold as a solid, reliable store of value. Now imagine being part of this gold rush. Investing in gold could be your ticket to financial security. It's like having an insurance policy against economic volatility. As the world becomes more unpredictable, your investments in gold could serve as a protective shield, securing your financial future. Don't let this golden opportunity pass you by. Start considering gold as a serious investment option. Equip yourself with gold today to ensure your financial security. We never know what the future will hold. As we step into the future, the shine of gold only seems to become brighter. The glittering allure of this precious metal has only intensified, and its value is rising rapidly. This isn't a mere coincidence, but rather the result of an intricate dance of global events. From regional conflicts and wars to economic uncertainties, the world is increasingly turning to gold as a secure fortress. Governments and powers across the globe are stocking up on gold, a testament to its enduring value. They recognize that this timeless treasure offers a buffer against economic turmoil, a safeguard for their financial security. As we move towards the year 2034, the demand for gold is predicted to continue soaring. The message here is clear. Gold is not just a relic of the past, but a key player in our future. So, as we stand on the brink of tomorrow, remember this. In the world of gold, the future is always a glittering prospect.